Hi, it's Shakti. Please subscribe, comment, and like. I'm sharing with you yoga movements for third chakra, also known as Manipura, and other name is Navel Chakra. It's located in your solar plexus and connects you to pancreas, and body association is digestive system, liver, and muscle. And why are we doing this? It's because when this navel chakra is balanced and unblocked, it can manifest as awareness of your own actions, control over your own life, and strong willpower. Balancing navel chakra will increase your vitality and action and will help you feel passionate and trust in what you're doing. So let's begin, and always listen to the body. You can always rest and come back. So please lie down on your back. Knees are bended, and place your hands on your rib cage and bring your heels closer to your buttocks and begin inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Focus your gaze between your third eye, ajna, and really feel your hands on your rib cage. Deepen the breath. Just notice what happens with each inhale and exhale, and let's continue. And now, take a deep inhale and exhale. Stretch the legs in front of you. Bring the knees up. Interlace your hands, place it behind your neck, be gentle, and begin lifting your upper body, inhaling up and exhaling down. Keep flowing. The head doesn't touch the ground. Pull the navel in, and please be conscious of your neck. Keep your elbows away from you and find your rhythm. Inhaling up, exhaling down, pulling the navel towards the spine. Make sure your back and your spine is pressed against the surface. Beautiful, almost there. Now relax, bring the legs straight in front of you. Arms are by your side, palms are up. Just notice any vibrations. Again, bring the heels towards your buttocks. Adjust your posture. And now bend the knees and bring the left foot on the right thigh. Hands are interlaced, and you do alternate crunches. So bringing the opposite elbow to the left knee. Inhaling up and exhaling down. Adjust the position any way you wish to. And let's continue. And soon we will reverse to the opposite side. Deep inhale, and you can exhale through the mouth for deeper connection to the navel. Let's reverse. Keep flowing at your own rhythm. A few more times. Today I'm very stiff, so I'm just listening to my body. And let's relax. So release the hands and the legs. Deep breath and long. And now please come onto the tabletop, align the wrists with your shoulders, come with the tip of the toes, come into plank pose, and begin to gently tapping the opposite shoulders, really gently. Pull the navel in, and see if you can keep the lower body still. It's not easy, but just listen to the body. Adjust the posture, and remember you can always relax. Gentle taps on the opposite shoulders. Bring the knees to the ground. And let's do a little bit cat-cow to move the energy. Inhale, up, exhale, down. And let's go back to the plank pose and see if you can go on the top of your foot. Long deep breaths. Lower the knees. Just breathe. And now come on the left forearm. Extend the leg, you can bend, and the other is lifting up and down. Give yourself support, so lift your hips up. The left leg can be bent, or if you want more advanced, you can stretch it. And the right leg goes up and down. And you're on the left forearm. Long deep breaths. Let's lower down and let's reverse. So come on the right forearm, and the right leg is on the ground. Lift the hips up and begin lifting the left leg up and down. Keep the leg as straight as possible. Just notice what's happening. Beautiful. And let's lower down. Come sit on your heels. And now come to the tabletop. Adjust anything that needs to be. Let's come on the left forearm again. Extend the right leg and inhale up. And twist, bring the arm underneath your armpit. See if you can raise both hips up, both legs are straight. And let's slow it down, let's reverse. We're gonna be here just for a few movements, so let's come to the right, from heart, lift your hips up, the other arm is extended, and inhale up and twist, bring the hand underneath your armpit. And continue breathing, and let's come to the tabletop. Just breathe. Come sit on your heels. And now we're gonna go into Cobra pose. So lie down completely on your belly. Hands up by your chest. Inhale and rise up your upper chest. See if you can keep your hips pressed to the ground. And now really raise yourself up. So your hips coming up, long deep breaths. Lift the chin up and lower down. I like to stretch my hands in front of me so my hips are kind of touching the ground, but see which modification for Cobra pose works for you. And let's come, lay down, push yourself up, and come into forearms, both, and raise your buttocks up and adjust. We're going to dolphin pose, so it's like a triangle pose, but you're on a forearms. Head is between your arms. Long deep breaths. Please make any modification needed to your body. Keep breathing. Knees to the ground and come into child pose. You can extend and spread the knees, or you can just have your knees together. Long deep breaths. Relax, let go, just for a moment. Connect vibrations within you and around you. And now slide your hands to the knees, slowly come up and find your way into corpse pose, Shavasana. Lie down, palms are up, spread the legs and completely, totally allow yourself to receive and